My brother, better AMG na Sarki Motor Salam. This is not the regular GLE 53 you see everywhere. This, my brother, is a V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus AMG 63S from Sarki Motor. Come and look at the beautiful interior of this car. As always, Betaka na Sarki Motor Salam. This car is very, very powerful, yet very comfortable. It comes with heads-up display. Look at the screen from here until here. Hello, Mercedes. Change the ambient light to red. Okay, she has changed the color. Technology. This car comes with a full panel, as you can see, my brother. This car is very beautiful, very luxurious, and very powerful. Let's go to the back of this car, my brother. Forget the back seat. We don't really care about the back seat. Come and listen to the exhaust of this car. Roar! Woo! Kai! GLE 63. This S now for Sarki Motor. Come on, buy before you hear salt.